Money belts can be a hot topic in the travel community. To wear or not to wear one, that is the question. When it comes down to it, if having your essentials close by and on your person makes you feel more secure, or if you want a hands-free, worry-free way to carry your stuff, we say go for it, with a few caveats. Travel money belts can either be conspicuous or well hidden. Number 1. Raytix RFID Money Belt. This classic-style money belt has a deceptively slim profile with 5 pockets. A larger main zippered pocket has 2 interior mesh slip pockets for stashing smaller items like coins, transit tickets, or an earbud case. There's also a hidden back mesh pocket, ideal for paper money, plus a medium front zippered pocket. We found it easy to load up all of the items on our testing list, and we're happy to see it fits a passport without any struggle with the zipper. The back mesh pocket is breathable and slightly padded and feels comfortable against your skin. The money belt has an unusual round double release button that seems sturdier than the typical 3-prong side release buckle on most others. We didn't feel the waist strap dig into our sides while wearing, and noted the straps are easily adjustable and feel smooth. Number 2. Peak Gear Hidden Travel Money Belt. This Peak Travel Money Belt comes with built-in RFID protection lining, but what makes it a standout anti-theft wallet for us is that it also comes with $250 worth of theft protection and 2 recovery decals for lifetime recovery services of lost or stolen items. Recovery services are available via 24/7 phone line and work by helping to return items to you from anywhere across the globe. We also like that we could access our items without drawing attention to the fact we were wearing a money belt. We tested the regular size wallet and loved how it stayed slim, inconspicuous, and comfortable even when loaded with documents, money, and other items from headphones to keys to a cell phone. In fact, when we almost completely filled all 5 pockets, it still felt light and never dug into our waist even while sitting. The biggest drawback for us is that it only comes in beige and black. Number 3. FlipBelt Classic Running Belt. This machine washable money belt is made from a light and breathable plush fabric that feels good against the skin and has a stretchy, bounce-back capability. We also found it easy to move freely while wearing it without any trouble, making it an easy go-to for active travelers. Although, in our long-term test, we found ourselves annoyed when getting the belt on as it flips easily. There are 4 pockets, and we were impressed by how much we fit inside the main storage compartment. Stretchy material for the win. All in all, we were pleasantly surprised at how well this performed in our sweat test, the durability and quality of materials, and how well it was concealed under our clothes. Number 4. StashBandz Unisex Travel Money Belt. This StashBandz money belt impressed us with its waterproof compression band design, and we liked that it was available in 11 colors. The 360-degree spandex band has no clips or belts and instead fits around your hips and waist. You put it on by pulling it up or down your body. The 4 pockets are divided through stitched-in seams. For extra security, one has a zippered closure at the top. Accessing the 2 front pockets is easy enough, but getting to the back requires some flexibility. During our spray bottle sweat test, the belt kept items dry and completely dried in about 15 minutes. While we found the spandex to be comfortable against our skin, the belt did ride up when we sat down, and even with some arm movements. Since it tends to run small, we recommend sizing up if you're between sizes, which may also help prevent the belt from rolling up. Number 5. Lanny RFID Travel Blocking Money Belt. This money belt has a standard money belt design with 5 storage areas, including a main compartment with 2 interior mesh slip pockets, a small zippered front pocket, and the back has a breathable, open mesh-paneled sleeve that works great for stashing paper money. We liked how comfortable the belt was and that it easily fit all items with room to spare and still wasn't detectable under clothes. The strap fits waists measuring 26 to 50 inches, but could likely stretch to fit larger sizes. During our water bottle sweat test, it provided total protection for the items inside. Also, The wallet belt has 3 built-in RFID blocking layers